Well, in this video series, we just gonna look at how you can learn to code with your smartphone. Okay, so basically we're just gonna look at one of the powerful languages I like and love, which is Python. Now, uh, in my experience, because I've coded with more than 7 programming languages, I think in total they are like 11. And those are programming languages. Those are like your C++, those are like your Python, those are like your JavaScript, your PHP, all those. And I found Python as an easy language to learn and a very powerful one. It's easy, number one, for anyone who wants to learn programming, but it's powerful. And you see, the reason I say Python is powerful is because Python can do a lot of stuff. So whether you are in a web development industry or you want to code softwares and whatnot, Python is the way to go. Let me make an example. We use Python in AI. Yes, you can use C++ for that, but Python, it makes AI very simple, for example. And what do I mean about AI? I mean artificial intelligence. I'm talking about how your phone operates. How do you actually unlock your phone with your fingerprint? How does it know your fingerprint? Those particular stuff, your facial expression, those unlocks with your face. That Facebook tagging, that thing that recommends you music on YouTube, all those kind of stuff. Those are AI stuffs. And Python, it's really good with that. It's really good. This video series is about Python. So how can you learn Python on your mobile device, right? If you don't have a laptop and all those kind of stuff. Well, let's see. Just go to your Google Play Store, right? And make sure you download this app. It's called Q3 Python. This is an Android IDE, for learning Python. This is where we write Python codes. Okay, so make sure you download this, and once you have downloaded it, like any app you have downloaded, it will appear on your phone like that. And when we open it, this is how it looks. And we can write Python scripts there. For example, if I wanted to display something on the screen, I can say print hello world, of which is a very popular line or phrase for beginners. Whenever we test things in programming, that's the line. So as you can see now, this thing works, right? Well, in the next videos, I'm just going to show you how we write real coding with this. Awesome, right? Make sure that you watch those videos. Anyway, cheers.